Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Daniel here again, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm going to talk about this Aukey charging station with USB-C power delivery. So, it's wasting no more time, and let's get right into it. So, this is the charging station itself from Aukey, and right now, I'm going to pop this open and see what is inside. But by the way, this is pretty kind of nice presentation for the product itself. And anyway, just open it first. Stuck inside there. Okay. Wow. Okay. So the unboxing is done, and we can check it out. The charging station itself. So this is the logo itself, and USB PD, AI port, Qualcomm quick charge port, and also some brief detail right here. Wow, I can't see it from this camera, or even in my eyes. I can barely read this well, but I can see that here says 46 watt power delivery capability, model PA-Y13, total output is 74.5 watts. Okay, so USB-C out is about 503A, USB-A out, quick charge 3 is about 503A also. USB-A out, AI power is 5 volt 2.18. So here you get it, the information. I just read it out loud. The wall charger itself, since this is the Indonesia version, you can get power outlet. I'm not sure what it's called, but if you see it, you will know. So here it is. You have the review of this charging station. I know this video is short because it is just a charging station, nothing special. But I can tell you about each port, that what kind of example that you guys can use in each of these ports. So USB PD, you can use it to charge a MacBook Pro, MacBook 12-inch, yeah, but not the MacBook Air because it is still using the MagSafe, so it's not going to support. And also Pixel 2 XL, which the phone is, as long as they are both side, the cable both side is USB-C, which is the one that right now recording this video, my Pixel 2 XL, and possibly maybe iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus or 10, or 10s, 10s Max, or maybe the 10R possibly, because they actually support for USB PD for fast charge capability. And the second one, AI charging port. An example here, a quick example, my Sony headset, which is using micro USB for charging, and also my PS4 controller, which is downstairs. It's really too far to get it right here. So well, as long as it is not like any gadgets that has USB PD or the Qualcomm quick charge support, so you can charge it with this green port right here, and this orange, well, you guys can get it. Android phones. Okay, some examples: the Galaxy Note 9, S8, S9, S9 Plus, the Samsung flagships, LG V30, G7 ThinQ, and what else? HTC, and yeah. Sorry about that. Car engine is nice, but there's still some cars walking by my house. But yeah, so you guys have it. Here some of my examples of what kind of device you can charge with either, like, each of these ports. So I hope you guys won't get confused about the three different type of technologies: USB PD, AI charger, and Qualcomm quick charge supported. And yeah, this is my video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time on my next episode. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my channel. Well, I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible in the future, so stay tuned to my channel, and thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned.